came over here with wood and you want to show me something. So let's show the whole planet.
No, because I'll be bullied.
Anyway.
Promise.
Yeah. What you made.
Come here.
What am I looking at?
Bookshelf. It's good, isn't it? Stop.
Could have been a bit wider.
And that's all I had.
Well done, honey. No, if you do.
It won't stay.
How's it going, everyone? So something pretty cool might be happening in a minute though. So there's one of those Starlink rockets taking off in about half an hour. Thanks Jack for the recommendation on that. So you can watch it live, and then apparently it's going to go over us, so we should be able to see it hopefully. But we'll have a look. And the chickens today. Starting to learn the chicken talk.
Now, you may recall during our last Starlink mission, there was an early engine shutdown.
So where's it going for? I didn't read the article.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff. Falcon 9 switching down range. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Shit.
So if we're going to see this, it should come over in about 5 minutes. Somewhere up there. Oh, I love this shit, it's so cool. 27,000 kilometres an hour that thing's going. So now I realise it's going to be up there somewhere. I think you'll be able to see shit on there. In there! Oh shit!
Where?
Right above us.
Oh shit.
Right above us, we nearly missed it.
No. Where? Ah, yeah, I can see it.
There we go. Oh shit, as if we missed that, I stood right under it. Oh, I see a bit just come off. To the left.
No, that wouldn't have been.
Did it?
Yeah. There's the future happening right there.
That's crazy, we just watched that thing launch.
20 minutes was it? In America.
Yeah, in America, like less than 20 minutes ago. Did you get it, Mart?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Oh damn, I was looking in the wrong place.
I mean, considering it's past.
Right folks, that's it for today. Just a short video today. How awesome was that though, with the bloody rocket? That was absolutely mega. I love stuff like that. Yeah, we've all turned in pretty early. Gonna chill out for what's left of the evening. I'm gonna stick the PS4 on, play a bit of Red Dead. because I am, in fact, a geek. And it still blows my mind, even now, that I can fire up this PS4 and telly and play games completely powered by the sun. So I've not plugged in since before I left for Scotland, and it's still all good. But yeah, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, the future. No electricity bills. Right, I'll see you all tomorrow, folks. Catch you in a bit.